guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot using Google Chrome. So guys, you can also take a screenshot on Windows. It's very easy. You can see this tool right over here to take a screenshot. It comes directly, but if you want to use on Google Chrome, you can go and type over here on search box. I have provided this on my description, so you can also copy and paste and hit enter. And after that, you have to search over here screenshot, and you can see the option right over here, desktop screenshot. You only have to go and enable this option and click over here. It will open one more time your Google Chrome. It will reopen. Now as you can see, it is enabled. So guys, now if you want to take any kind of screenshot, you can see this icon right over here. Click over there. You can see the option screenshot and take any screenshot on Google Chrome, and you can simply click on this to download. And over here. So guys, that's all in this video. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.